And we're live. Coming to you live with Naomi Amber TV. Back to you, John. I feel like I'm on a newscast right now, but today is not going to be my regular fashion hauls. It's actually going to be a haul, but it's for something a little bit more exciting. I purchased my first car. This is the second video in this car series, so there's gonna be 3 videos. One video, which you guys probably have already seen, is the car tour, so if you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll link it on the screen and I'll also link it down below. And this video is going to be a car accessories video, so I'm gonna show you all the things that I got to decorate and spice up my car a little bit. And the third video is going to be me decorating with you guys, so you guys will see me actually physically decorated. But today is just going to be a haul video, and I'm so excited. It's a lot. So all this stuff plus a whole bunch of bags. So we're just going to get right into it because it's about to be a long haul. And I literally scoured the internet for car kits, car accessory videos on YouTube, literally, so that way I don't miss anything. This is my first car, so I want everything that I possibly could ever even think of needing to be in it. Some of the stuff might seem a little bit unnecessary, but I had to get it because I deserve it. So let's just stop talking because it's a lot of stuff. Let's just get right into the video. So the first thing that we have here is this vacuum. All this stuff right now is from Amazon that I'm about to show you. I got from Amazon a portable vacuum. The reviews were good on it. Let me open it up and show you guys. Comes with little attachments and it has like the little car plug-in thing. Vacuums are essential because if you want like a quick little clean, like obviously you can go to the cleaners, like the car wash, and get your car vacuumed professionally, but sometimes you just need something quick. Like say if I spill a bag of chips, like ain't nobody paying 12 whatever how much it costs to, y'all know what I mean. Anyway, this is what the vacuum looks like. So cute and small and compact. I think I'm actually gonna get a duffel bag for like things that are gonna go in my trunk, but that's just for later. I'm really not one of those girls that like stuff on their wheel, like the fuzzy stuff, but I just feel like why not try it? Why not see what it's giving? But I did get it in black. I didn't want to get like a rhinestone one or anything like that. Like I'm really not that girly. Like I'm girly, but I'm not that girly. So the wheel cover, but I got it in black, and obviously you guys will see it on the car when I decorate the car. But it's actually really soft and really cute. It's not as what's the word I'm looking for? It's not as in the way as I thought it would be. Like I thought it was gonna be like so much poof that I can't even grip the wheel, and that's what I was afraid of. But this seems like it's fine, so I'm excited. So next, I'm like low-key excited about this. Actually think I could have got the bigger size to this, but this is actually a trash can for your car. Like look how tiny it is. It's so compact and small, and just it's gonna be out the way, and I love that for me. But it has a little clip on the back, so you can either clip it to the pockets in the back seat, or you can stick it to the side. I'm gonna insert pictures that they had on Amazon. But the cool part about this is that when you open it, it lights up. I don't know if the camera's picking up that it lights up, but when you open it, it lights up. And I think that is so adorable. It's not that big. I don't need it to be that big because I'm not going to put like food or like, I'm not going to put nothing crazy in here. It's just going to be like wrappers and stuff like that. And it actually comes with garbage bags. Like 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I told myself I was not going to get rhinestone anything for my car. I know a lot of YouTube videos, they decorate their car, like girls decorate their cars in rhinestones. I was like, no, I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. I lied. I got a rhinestone license plate, but it's not your regular schmegular. Like I'm not a regular schmegular girl. So it comes in this really nice packaging. Got this black rhinestone. I think this is way more my personality than the silver one, and it's just so freaking cute. It also comes with like all the screws and stuff, obviously, and the screws also have like a black rhinestone detail on it. But this is so freaking cute. Like come on, y'all can't tell me this is not cute. And to match, I carry my purse around with me all the time, like everywhere I go, and I usually, like, there's someone in the passenger seat, usually my sister, whatever, and I usually throw it in the back, but throwing it in the back, like, your stuff can fall around, whatever. You all know the deal. Y'all know the case. So I got these purse hooks that actually match the black rhinestones on the legs. It's the small details. It's the little things that excite me. The little things. I just got 2 of them, and I can put 1 on each chair, and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the car, because obviously, like, you guys can't really tell, but this is what they look like, and they're so freaking cute. I'm just gonna throw my purse on there, and it's just gonna be a vibe. I know in like a lot of the car decorating videos, girls put scrunchies on their gear shift, but I was like, I don't really want that, and I don't really want anything on my gear shift for real. But y'all know that we're in a global pandemic, so I actually got 3 black masks just to put on my, cause I'm literally that person that'll be like, oh snap, where's my mask? Like, I left my mask at home, but I got 3 masks. I'm gonna just throw this on my gear shift because this is necessary. So I know you guys have seen this on TikTok. So it's literally just the putty that you use to clean up dust on your car and like clean out the dirt. I'm not gonna open it now because obviously, like, I don't have the car yet, so I'm not gonna open it now, but it's just literally that putty. I'll insert like a TikTok video if I see it of someone using it, but I'll show you guys how I use this when I actually do the car decorating video. So okay, so boom, I've literally searched high, low, up, down, left, right for the perfect phone holder for your phone that's gonna fit my case. My phone has all my cards in the back, so I needed like a case that kind of is like will be able to hold my phone with the cards in the back, because I had to keep taking off my case to use my old phone holder, and I just cannot deal with that, because if I lose my cards, I'm gonna lose my mind. So I have this, and it actually does fit my case, like just barely, but enough for it to like hold my phone and like my phone not fall out. So yeah, it just has a little vent attachment in the back. It's not the suction one, because I just know from experience that suction ones don't work really well. And the coolest part about this, let me get it close. You press the little button in the back and it opens. I just think that's so hot out. Alright, so next I just got 2 basic old car charger for my iPhone. Like, nothing major to see here. I do my makeup or whatever, and I always look at myself in the mirrors to see like if my makeup is good, and since I'm going to be driving and I'll be in the car, I'm going to need to have a nice mirror. And you know those tiny little mirrors that they put on your visors, they just don't cut it. There's a vanity visor mirror. I think this is so cool. You guys will see like me set it up and hook it up to the visor when I decorate the car, and it's just like exactly what I need. Like, this is exactly the right size, so because that tiny little mirror is not gonna cut it. Alright guys, like I said, it's the little things for me. I knew I was gonna get a keychain, and I wanted it to be, I actually did want my keychain to be cute and girly, okay? I actually did want that, but my car is a push to start, so it's keyless entry. I bought a keychain actually for my car, like it's actually made for the car. So this is the car key that is gonna go on, and it's just like a black and silver car key, and it came with this other keychain that actually has Nissan. My car is a Nissan. Actually has like the Nissan logo on it, which I think is so cute, and it has like the little black leather strap, which is super cute. And then just to add like a little touch, I got a little N keychain, just because, you know, my name's Naomi. Okay, so I got this car charger, and it has a little outlet on it just in case, like, you know, maybe I need to charge my laptop in the car or something like that. But I think these are really essential to have, and yeah, nothing special to see here. The next thing that we have here is probably something that I'm the most excited about out of this whole entire haul. So I don't know if you guys know, like when BMWs, like you open up the door, the light shines on the ground. I got that for my car, and obviously my car is not a BMW, but I'm gonna treat it like a BMW. I'm gonna do whatever I want because it's my car. First of all, I don't care what nobody gonna say. I'm gonna have these lights. I'm gonna have them on the driver's side and the passenger side, and when you pop it open, the light gonna shine on the floor, and it's gonna be lit. And I can't wait for you guys to see it in the car decoration video. But I'm also insert a picture of what it looks like on their website as well. This I am 10 out of 10 excited about. Next is like actual things that are gonna go inside of my little car kit. This is what everything is gonna go in. So this is a supplies makeup bag I got from Marshall's. It was $8. I've seen these around a lot, so I'm pretty sure you could probably find it in your local Marshall's. But just the supplies on it, I think it's so cute. And in this bag I'm gonna put like little things that you need for your car, like, you know, gum. I'm gonna show everything that I'm about to put in here. First things first, I got this breath spray. I don't know why 4 come in a pack, but 4 come in a pack. And I got this from Marshall's as well, from Bath and Body Works. I just got this gift set because this is the only thing that was in the store that had all 3 things. So I got a spray, lotion, and a little mini sanitizer. And I also got this little black sanitizer keychain thing to put on my keychain, which I think is so super cute. And then also the thing that I'm gonna put in here is this mini edge booster, because you know sometimes you just need a quick little lay. I didn't buy this. I actually got this when I was in school. It's actually a foldable blanket. I'm gonna put this in my trunk. And literally, I'm not gonna open it. If you open it, you can it unravels to a big blanket, and then it just folds up really nice and small like this, and it's super easy to fold. So I love that for me. Then all this stuff I definitely do 10 out of 10. Highly recommend getting it from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, Five Below, like small little things that can be really cheap, so that way you don't break the bank. So from from Family Dollar, I just got some Advil. I got a mini brush for like when I have like my wigs and stuff, and then I got like just a basic mascara. And then from Dollar Tree, I really went off. I got safety pins, Blistex, because Blistex is actually my second favorite lip product next to lip gloss. Like Blistex is a lifesaver. I got a nail file, but I don't know what I did with it. Here it goes. I got a nail file to put in there because sometimes my nails snag on things and it just irritates me so bad that I just need a nail file. I got tissues, pens, because you never know, you need to write somebody up, bobby pins, fruity gum, fruity gum and minty gum. Some days you just want to taste strawberry, some days you just want to taste mint. Never know. Got this mini flashlight, and it's actually super thin. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's super thin and it's super bright. Like, I'm so happy I got this. It's only $1. Got some scrunchies, another hairbrush, and then a mini kit that has like scissors, a nail clipper, tweezers, and a nail file. So I'll probably put this in there as well. From Five Below, I don't know if it's picking it up. Five Below, I just got a umbrella, because it'll be times when you're inside the car and it's pouring down rain out of nowhere and you need an umbrella. So I'm putting y'all into game. This is free game. Anyway, next I got a first aid kit, because you never know when you're gonna cut yourself. So it comes with band-aids, hand cleaning wipe, gauze. So definitely gonna need that. And then what the heck is this? Oh, this is a car charger, which also doubles as a glass breaker, just in case, like, you know, anything happens, God forbid. And also from Miss Bath and Body Works, I got a little car freshener, and I thought these were really cute. I really enjoy Bath and Body Works scents, and the scents that I got are peach sugar cone, aloha kiwi, and sun washed citrus. So I'm really excited to put those in my car and see how it's finna smell. No one will be able to tell me my car is not fully prepared for anything, or that it stink. Those are the 2 things you're not going to be able to tell me. The last group of items that I got, they're from Target. And I just got some Q-tips. I got a lot of stuff. Now that I have it all in front of me, I'm just like, dang, I might have OD'd a little bit. A mini deodorant. I couldn't find this in any of the other stores. Definitely recommend getting it at Target. Here's the Advil. And this is my old cell phone holder. Not that that matters. I just got these flushable wipes, and I also got some more flushable wipes. I don't know why I bought both of them. Oh, probably because this one only has 14 and this one has 50. So yeah. And then I just got this cute, like, I didn't need this, but I got this cute, well, I did need this. It's hand sanitizer. We're in a pandemic. Are you kidding? So got this hand sanitizer, but it's super cute, and I'm gonna put this in my cup holder. I just think this is so aesthetic. Like, is this the cutest hand sanitizer? It just doesn't even look like hand sanitizer, which is what I was going for. And wow, that's it. I'm actually gonna put all this stuff in this bag, and I'm actually really excited to do this because I've been waiting to do this for a long time. This is making me like 10 times more excited. I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quality content so that way you guys don't miss any more videos from the car series, and follow me on my socials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.